Hello, Paul here from EMD. Just want to show you what I'm doing today. I've got a VW Golf. I'm doing a timing belt for this car here. Just want to show you how much Loctite the previous people that actually done the timing belt, they put so much Loctite on this. You don't really need Loctite on this bolt and nuts. You just have to put it on. Or if you do put Loctite, put a little tiny bit, not too much like that. What happens is it's makes my job harder to actually replace the actual parts because there's too much Loctite on it. Okay, so this is my new parts. So that's the old parts. I've got new bolts as well. And this one here, the new one for the actual camshaft sprockets. For this one here. Okay, so I've got a new water pump as well. So I've got a water pump there. Brand new water pump just here. There's my new brand new water pump. And all the torque figures for the job. All my Audi folders. These are all the torque figures as well. Because you gotta torque up the bolts pretty much here. Here as well. Okay, so let's go back to the car. Pretty much strip it down like that. Crank lock, cam lock, and this one here was a bit out, so I couldn't line up the actual pulley, so I just took it off. It's okay. Got to realign it later. So, but this is the main thing: is the cam and the crank is locked. So now I'm gonna put the new belt, new water pump, sorry, and then a new belt. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.